So,
We're
tuna
back.
casserole.
Tuna casserole. So again, in case you don't know our videos, we normally eat out, but we're showing you what we eat in because we don't eat out every single day.
And not only are we showing you to eat in, cheap eats inside. That's right.
Cheap and easy. I mean, make it simple. 6 ingredients, tuna casserole, $5. You could feed a family of 4.
Easily.
There wouldn't be any leftovers, well, unless you got like somebody who doesn't eat.
It feeds that 6 times. So, family of 4 with leftovers, or somebody who eats a lot. But $5 can't beat that.
The
right?
hardest thing was me opening up the can of tuna, I think.
But you guys ready? You guys ready to watch?
We'll show you in a second. Literally 1 second. See you in a second.
Hi, so you add a little bit of salt for flavor. This is about 4 cups of egg noodles. You want to bring that to a boil. Breadcrumbs. You're going to do about 1 cup of breadcrumbs. This is half a cup of crushed Ritz cracker. Just throw that in there like that. This is 4 tablespoons of butter.
Melted.
Melted. Let me just stir that. Make sure that it's completely stirred and mixed. Otherwise, it can burn if you don't get it all completely mixed, okay? Super simple. This is going to be the topping on the tuna casserole.
So we hit it with just a little bit of cold water to stop the cooking process so they don't end up overcooking, and then we toss it in the casserole.
Alright, so this is a can of albacore white tuna. So you add that into the mixture. This is 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Sorry about that noise. And I'm going to put this over like that. And then stir it up. And the heat of the noodles kind of helps the cream of mushroom loosen up. So, pretty simple, right? This is my first time doing the cooking show, so if I make a mess, I apologize. But I'm trying to make this for you guys because it's easy, it's good, and it is so cheap to make this. It's amazing. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's mixed up pretty good. You just made those earlier. You just add this to the top like this, separate it, get all the goody morsels out of there.
Make that all even.
Oven is preset or preheated to 350. Put it in the center of the oven. 30 to 40 minutes, it'll be done. Here's our tuna casserole.
How many ingredients is this?
What was it? Tuna, noodles, cream of mushroom, breadcrumbs. 4.
Butter.
Okay, if you're going to add butter and different types of breadcrumbs, then you're talking 6.
And then Ritz crackers.
6.
So 6 ingredients, probably like $5.
Pretty cheap. $5 to feed a family.
Feed 4 people with this. And I'm not a big fan of cream of mushroom soup.
Or tuna, for that matter.
Tuna I can do like out of a can the first day. After that, I'm kind of no. But I like it. It's good.
I like it too, baby. I love tuna casserole.
So if you're eating on a budget or on a timeline, or both, this tuna casserole is super simple. I watched her make it. I put a little help into it. I think I opened a can. But super easy, good.
Longest thing is cooking the noodles and baking it in the oven.
Otherwise,
Otherwise, it takes like 2 minutes.
like prep time is just basically opening up the can, crushing up the Ritz crackers, and toasting the bread.
That's about it. It's like 2 minutes, right?
Yeah, you weren't in there very long. Hey, if you like our video, please subscribe. Make any comments. So,
You can tell we haven't been doing this for a long time.
Yeah,
but
we normally eat out at restaurants and we just eat the food.
this is weird for us to cook it and eat it for you.
But we figured we don't eat out every single night, so we figured we'd show you what we do when we're at home.
And we eat cheap.
we eat
Cheap eats.
We want to do cheap. Cheap and easy. It's the way to go. See and eat food.
That's right.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Our kitchen to yours. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.